There can be no doubt that most people will be happy to get something for nothing. While fortune smiles on some people every now and then, everyone knows that everything in life comes at a cost. So how is it that a car dealership can offer loans with no money down even if you have bad credit? Where is the profit? The answer lies in the interest, which is the cost of using someone else's money expressed as a percentage established by certain federal guidelines, local market rates, and individual lenders. If you have bad credit and are looking at a car loan deal that advertises no money down, be aware that there is a price to be paid for not paying a little upfront directly related to your interest rate. No money down car loans are exactly what they sound like. You can get approved for a car loan without having to put up a penny at the time of closing. But whoever is financing the deal needs to make that money back somewhere. The most common targets of no money down marketing are people who are struggling with bad credit, who will find the promise of not having to dip into their wallets very tempting. Yet the costs of no money down car loans are quite high, especially when you have bad credit. As a bad credit borrower, you're assumed by most lenders to be a high-risk client. Part of what compensates a lender for that risk is in interest. Where the borrower would default on the loan, the lender will have recovered a portion of the costs and interest paid on the amounts of money the borrower paid before going AWOL. Though there are limits established by law on what a lender can charge for a car loan, those rates can go as high as 12.5%. Bad credit car loans with no money down become that much more expensive over time. If you're after a $20,000 car in a 48-month term, for instance, with no money down and an interest rate of 8.5% due to your bad credit, you'll end up paying $492.97 per month, total interest payments of $3,662.32, and a total payoff of $23,662.37. And this doesn't even include tax. The same loan with a $4,000 down payment, the standard 20%, turns into a very different experience with monthly payments of $394.37, total interest of $2,929.90, and a total payoff of $18,929.90. What you knock off the principal at the beginning of the loan is money you won't have to pay interest on, a savings of over $700 in interest alone. There are times when you need to take advantage of a no money down car loan. If your car has puffed out its last cloud of exhaust and you're cash strapped, taking advantage of bad credit car loans with no money down can take some of the pressure off when making a car purchase. It's important to go into the car loan with both eyes open and a budget for the increased cost of the car loan. After all, this car loan can help to repair some of the damage done to your credit by past mistakes. At the start of the loan, your credit scores may drop a little, but completing the loan without any missed or late payments can make significant improvements to your credit. As you go in search of the right car loans, it pays to become a careful shopper and read all the literature that every lender makes available to their consumers. No money down car loans can be made to work in your favor if you pay careful attention to all the conditions made available by the lender. If a deal seems right, but a few details make you a little uncomfortable, negotiate with the lender to modify them. Whether you have bad credit or not, the lender is there to work with you to set up a car loan that you can both live with. It only takes a little effort to make the loan one sweet deal. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.